Alright guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a spotlight. Cheap and easy. Check it out. What's up guys, I'm Jerry Watts and welcome to the channel. In today's episode I'm going to take an ordinary light that you probably have laying around your house and make a spotlight out of it. Now you may ask, what do you need a spotlight for? Now if you do YouTube videos, it's very helpful to put light on the subject that you're trying to shoot. And also if some of you guys may do Instagram or Facebook pictures, I know on Instagram it's just full of pictures. So if you want better pictures and better lit pictures, and also if you do any kind of photography and you do product pictures, and you don't have a whole lot of money to get started to go out and buy a spotlight, which spotlights are very expensive. This is a simple and easy way to make a spotlight and you get the same effect on it. So let me show you guys how to do this. Alright, what you want to do is, what I'm using is some packing paper that came in a package. I just cut it out. I cut it out just big enough to go around the light that I'm going to use. So that's what you want to do. And packing paper is perfect for this because it's just stiff enough that it won't droop down and hang down. It stays stiff as it goes around. So I've already got this piece cut. So what you want to do is, when you're cutting your piece out, measure whatever light you're going to use, go around that light, measure the light, and then cut your paper out to fit that. And then what you want to do is, if you got it cut out to where you know that it's going to fit around the light, you can go ahead and make your circle out of the paper. It's a lot easier to put on there if you've made the circle out of it. So what you want to do is go ahead and get the cone light look here, and then tape the edges. And this doesn't have to look good, it's just, it'll be in your studio. So what you do want to do is make sure that you get it to where there's no light that can shine through this little crack. So you want to make sure that you tape it all the way shut. And then on the end that I'm putting it on the light, I've coned the piece of paper so that the narrow end is on the long end and the wider end is on the light end, where you want to be putting your tape and connecting it to the light. So, and I've connected the paper with just regular Scotch tape, but to put it on the light, I want to use something just a little bit heavier. So I'm going to use some electrical tape, or you can use some any kind of stronger tape. So let's see if we can get it started here. Getting it started is the trick. I think this is going to work out just fine though. Let's see. There. And then after that first piece, you can make longer pieces. Take that edge right there. What you want to do is make sure that your tape along the edge is really tight so that the light can't get through that end of it. Because the more light that you can get to come through this end of this little hole, this cone, the the better the light will be shining on whatever it is that you're shining on. I think that's it, guys. And you can see that I've got it taped up around the edges there. You can reach your hand in here and make sure there's nothing in the way. Alright guys, that's how you make it. Now we'll take it up to the studio and I'll show you how it works. Alright guys, we got the light upstairs. As you can see, it's this, and I love this light. And you know, it's just one that my wife got off of Amazon, and she had bought it for her sewing room, and I kind of took it over. But it's got this, I mean, it's not adjustable, it's just kind of like springy like, and you can kind of aim it wherever you want to aim it. And you're thinking, you know, that's not much of a spotlight, and that's because I got this big light on. I got these two lights right here, so you know, I got that light on, it's lighting up the whole room, and you can see a little bit of the outline of the I'll turn it off and you can see. So you can see a little bit of the outline of it, but here's where the effect comes in when you turn this light off. Now you're lit up in a spotlight. See, there's that product. If you were taking pictures for a product, or you know, Instagram or whatever, you wanted a cool picture, or you know, I can put it on myself when I'm sitting in that chair right there. I use this spotlight for my intro video. It looks pretty cool, I think. You know, works out good. So that's what this show was about today. Was showing you guys how to make a spotlight out of a light that you have around your house. All right, we're going to do a giveaway, and here's how we're going to do it. What I want you to do is I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to like this video, and what I want you to do is go back to the video where I was in the coffee shop, and I want you to tell me the name of the owners of that coffee shop. But how I want you to do it is this. I want you to say "got it" in the comment section, and then next Friday, on July the 3rd, I'm going to scroll through the comments and I'm going to pick a winner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a winner, and then I'm going to ask that person to give me the right answer. Hey, who can't use $50? Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you like the video, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Alright guys, peace.